It's December in Puerto Vallarta, good time to go hiking. So today we're going to hike to Cerro del Mono up on the North Shore. Let's start down here in Puerto Vallarta, right there, and we'll drive north around the airport, go north along the road through Bucerías as if you were going to Tepic. And when you get here, that's Cruz de Guanacaste, you're going to turn left, and instead of following the road to Tepic, you're going to follow the highway along the coast here from Cruz de Guanacaste on up the coast as if you were going to Punta de Mita. When you get to this turnoff, there's a right-hand turn that will take you to Sayulita. Follow it to Higuera Blanca, this town right here. Turn into Higuera Blanca and ask anyone where the trailhead is to Cerro del Mono, which is right there. That's where we're going today. Okay, we're going to Cerro del Mono, which is a mountain up by Sayulita, and this is my faithful guide, Carlos.
Gabriel, Carlos, con Roberto.
Yeah,
estamos super cool.
He has his own YouTube channel called Antigua Piedra, and I'll put that at the credits at the end. But my faithful guide is steering me up what they call an arroyo stream, and I just had to film this because it feels a little crazy. It's like, dude, where are you taking me?
To the jungle.
To the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. So we parked here. Carlos is already filming. This is the trailhead, and once we got out of the arroyo, we came up this dirt road right here, and when we got to this point, that's the trail. This was a little unexpected, where we're not 200 meters into the trek, and we're on a paved road. It sounds like they're doing some construction here, maybe somebody's house.
Deep down on the bottom of the well, seagrass was all I found. I know alternative hell, no more cookies in this jar. Did I take it too far? Now I'm dwelling in the sand like a fish on the land. But I'm deep.
Okay, this is the road we're following. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn left now, go through the primitive fence and head up that way.
Did I take it too far? Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land.
Okay, now we're on the right trail. Woohoo! They actually put a rope here to tell me.
I was deep down on the bottom of a well. Seagrass was all I found. An alternative hell, no more cookies in this jar. Did I take it too far? Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land.
This is your trail marker. Okay, we're on the wide trail. We're about to go to the right. I'm just following Carlos in that way. Not there yet. Okay, we're at the top. And what everybody said was a 1 hour hike.
for me, it was a 2-hour hike. We stopped to take video shots, but I wasn't in shape for this. So if you're not in good condition, don't do this. You won't have fun. De acuerdo?
De acuerdo.
So, in the last part, the last stretch heading just to the Cerro, I was using my hands and feet. Okay, a word to the wise. On the other hand, the view is fabulous. Hopefully I'll have some great drone shots to show you.
Take it too far, now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. But I'm deep, deep down on the bottom of a well. I don't belong, can't you tell? This place must be hell. No more cookies in this jar. Did I take it too far? Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land.
Okay, this is the easy part. Crank the AC and go home. Okay, this is bonus footage. If you turn left towards Sayulita instead of right toward Puerto Vallarta, you'll still get to Puerto Vallarta, but you can stop here. Cold cocos. And what they do, as you can see here, they take cold cocoa and they'll pour the water in a plastic bag, and then they'll give you the carne. Gracias, señor. So here's what you get when you step around Carlos. This is cold coconut water, yeah? And this is the coconut meat. He ordered his with chile because that's what Mexicans do. This one has nothing on it because that's what gringos do. Anyway, it's a left-hand turn. Stop at Cold Cocos.